Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes NFL RedZone? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can access this fast-paced football highlight channel through YouTube TV. If you're a fan of catching every touchdown from every game, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include NFL RedZone in its channel lineup. NFL RedZone is a popular channel for football fans, offering live look-ins on key moments and touchdowns from Sunday afternoon games. But it's part of the NFL network, which isn't available on YouTube TV either. This absence is likely due to licensing restrictions and regional broadcasting agreements. However, some nationally televised games may air on networks included in YouTube TV's package, such as ESPN, Fox, or NBC. For full access to NFL RedZone, you may need to explore alternatives like Hulu, plus Live TV, Sling TV, or subscribing directly through the NFL Network or streaming services like Fubo TV. If this video helped you understand the current status of NFL RedZone on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.